Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surbhi Art. Today in my video I am going to show you how you can reuse your old jeans and make fashion earrings. Very firstly I am taking my old jeans and I am going to cut out the bottom part of the jeans. This is a waist, so I am cutting it out. Just follow those steps and you will get the same product as shown in the video. Simple steps you have to follow, same as I am showing. Now after cutting the bottom part, I am taking the inner seam length. Inner seam length I am taking it because inner seam length is double. The fabric is double, so I am cutting the inner seam length same as in the video. Just follow the steps. You can see clearly that the fabric is double, and now I'm going to roll it. Just roll and roll. I have taken full seam length of the jeans, and at the end I am going to secure it with a glue gun or a fabric glue, or you can also use needle and thread. Now I am taking a piece of a fabric of which I am going to make tassels, and the same way I am cutting it, you have to cut it. The length of the fabric is according to you, whatever length you want for your tassels. And after cutting that, again I'm going to roll this fabric like this as I'm showing you, and again you have to secure it with a gum or a needle thread and attach it at the bottom of the earring. Now on the top of the earring I'm going to make a hoop to which I'm going to hang the hanging of the earring. You can see the method. The way we use to make a hoop to attach the hooks, it is the same way I am making it here. You can see it clearly, or you can use any other method of your choice. So this is how I used my old jeans to make new fashion earrings, and you also got a new idea to reuse your old jeans. If you like my video, just hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos and ideas. Thanks for watching.